So I'm gonna ask some AI, how do I make $10,000 in profit selling a product on Amazon? Let's see what it says. Okay, this is a very good response. High demand, low supply niche product to sell at a higher price point. Sourcing products at a lower cost to increase profit margins. Utilizing Amazon's advertising and promotion tools to increase visibility and sales. And then building a strong brand and positive customer reviews to drive repeat purchases. That's just the beginning of this. So welcome to the channel. Let's ask this thing some more questions, get a thread going, and show you the power of this tool. So now I've asked it to provide examples of products I might be able to sell to make $10,000. Let's see what it says. Now, I find that this tool generally gets smarter and it gets more advanced as you use it more in a single thread. It'll use the information it gave you previously to build new responses that are more and more accurate. Many different types of products that could potentially make $10,000 profit on Amazon. Essentially just giving us the definition of these. So this is basically wholesale. This is making your own product. This is literally making your own product. Let's ask it, can you list some potential winning private label products? So now you see what it's doing. It's getting slightly more specific every time we ask it something. So we started with just like the types of business models on Amazon. Now it's giving us the types of categories. So let's go ahead and say, can you provide a list of 10 outdoor gear products that are high demand and low competition? Waterproof dry bag. Now we're getting into slightly smaller ideas. Can you provide 5 more that are more niche and less competitive? Okay, handheld hiking poles, ultralight camping quilts. Okay, see, like you have to dig a little, but a camping shower tent designed to provide privacy and shelter while taking a shower in the great outdoors. That's really interesting. So now it's piqued my interest enough to go check Amazon at this point. Keep in mind, we're not even in camping season right now. It's the middle of the winter. These are still selling. This one's 30,000 and that only has 1,200 reviews. That is not a lot of reviews. Almost every one of these. So this one only has 91 reviews and they're only 4-star and it still has 7,000. So this is a tent and a changing room. So you have a dry and a wet station. So what we're going to do at this point is we're going to ask it to elaborate on camping shower tents and provide a potential list of differentiations that we could use to sell more than our competitors in this market. We could just say number 5 because it knows what number 5 is. Okay, it gave us an immense amount of potential changes we can make to the product. Easy setup and takedown, easy assembly and disassembly. So maybe we could use the technology that is in the infrastructure that's in like a beach tent, right? Where you just pop it up, push it back down and it's up. There's no putting poles together, etc. Durable and waterproof, of course. Privacy. So there should have features of a separate changing area. See, it already said that. Removable walls, like different things you can open and let down maybe. Okay, so ventilation is a good point. Maybe there's some people complaining about that. Now I'm going to ask it if it can provide a list of potential manufacturers for the product. Okay, so it's essentially suggested that we go to either Alibaba, trade shows, local manufacturers, or hire a sourcing agent that can help you find the right manufacturer. Now we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to ask it to actually go ahead and make us the listing for this product. So we'll say, can you generate a list of keywords for this product optimized for SEO ranking? Go ahead and see what it says there. So now just to test how close it actually gets to coming up with some of the relevant keywords for this product, I'm going to select 5 of the most popular selling ones on Amazon. We're going to run that in Cerebro, which would be considered probably the industry standard. Camping shower tent, portable shower tent, privacy shower tent. Not one up there, but again, logic tells you that sounds pretty good. I'm sure it's in there somewhere. There's 100 here, so I've sorted it by search volume, so it's probably somewhere lower. Portable camping shower. See, for instance, there's privacy camping shower. Point being, I mean, all of these words are really similar. So if we were to build a listing out of these keywords, we would obviously be indexing for all of these different search terms. So that's pretty incredible. So now I'll say, can you generate an Amazon listing for this product using those keywords? It's written the title, camping shower tent, did not reuse any words. We could tell it to make it longer if we wanted to. Product description, this is literally writing all of the copy for our tent. For the bullet points, reduce them to the 5 biggest selling points and make them longer. Also, make the title longer. So updated title, camping shower tent, portable outdoor privacy shelter for camping, hiking, and backpacking with removable walls, ventilation, lightweight design, portable shower head and hose, and easy cleaning. Beautiful. That's an amazing title built with incredibly rich and dense keywords. So that'll get that product ranked great. Whatever you were trying to rank for specifically when you're looking at your PPC campaigns, I would go in and put that at the front of the title. It's the only thing I might change. Camping shower tent, we know, is one of the 2 most searched things, however. But now it's writing 5 bullet points that are more detailed. So durable and waterproof, easy setup and takedown, removable walls for privacy, ventilation, lightweight and portable design. So typically in an Amazon listing, all I would do, capitalize all of those just so you can scan it easily with your eyes. And then it went on to elaborate about all of those points. So in the last 10 minutes, we've found a product, figured out what to change about that product, and made an entire listing for that product. Now all we have to go out and do is source that product, improve the branding, make the social media accounts, and spend some time getting photography done. That's about it. Don't go anywhere just yet, however. Be sure to watch this video next that'll explain how to make a listing in greater depth. See you over there.